Hi guys, welcome back. Today's Saturday, it's a quiet day. My brake pad warning light's been on for about 2 months. They do generally come on quite early, so I thought I'd come in and get them done. Don't get charged in the week as we get quite busy. So follow me on this journey in a brake pad change. This is a 6-pot caliper, 1, 2, 3 pots on this side and same on the other. To try and put these pistons back with a screwdriver makes it really difficult, because every time you push one piston back, the other one pushes out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tool. I'm going to spread these pads out so all 6 pistons go back evenly. It'll make it a little bit easier for me to try and get the brake pads out and have the pistons push back at the same time. This one's quite low, just caught the edge of the lip here on the inside. Got my money's worth out of these. They are EBC brake pads. Before I fit the pads in, all these drill holes are filled with brake dust. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a drill those out and get them all clean again. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I upload another video. Take care guys.